Hi everyone, it's Marky. Today I just wanted to talk about this Bondi Sands tanning mousse. This is a foam formula, so it's not like a lotion, it's not like the creaminess. You just take the cap off and it has this little pump so the foam can come out. This is my tried and true. I absolutely love it. I actually put it on last night. As you can see, it gives you really nice color. It's not orange, it's really just a golden bronze that looks really nice. I don't have any streaking when I use this. I've used a lot of different other self-tanners. This one has by far been my favorite. The scent is also so good. I've used so many that smell, I don't know, just not good, kind of gross. I actually, when I put this on last night, my husband kept saying, you smell like coconuts, you smell like coconuts. So it smells really good. Lasts a really long time. 6.7 ounces will last me probably a couple months, and I use it pretty often. To use it, all I do is I shower, exfoliate, shave, whatever you usually do in the shower, be completely dry, and then put this on with a mitt, and then just rub it in circles. It does have immediate color payoff, so you can see where you're getting to make sure that you are not getting any streaks or anything like that, or missing any spots. And yeah, so you can leave it on for an hour, or you can leave it on for a few hours, or you can sleep in it. I like to sleep in it just because I like a darker color. Turns out beautiful every time. It's not patchy when it fades off. It looks really nice. And even when it's time to reapply, I'm not having that patchy, blotchy kind of look. I love it. If you are looking for something maybe this summer to keep your tan up, I think this would be a perfect choice. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.